Hello Witblox makers, welcome to Witblox weekly updates. Many makers have their exams going on this month. All the best for your exams. The next Arduino tutorials for which all of you have been waiting for are being shot and edited. They'll be released in the next few days. In another development this week, Beeple, a digital artist, sold his art, a JPG file, for around $69 million. When we convert it to rupees, it comes about 501 crores. Yes, that's right. How? It's because of a new technology called NFTs, meaning non-fungible tokens. More on it very soon. Also, NASA and Blue Origin, a company by Amazon, have partnered to create artificial gravity environments. This will bring lunar gravity conditions closer to Earth. Scientists at UCLA have created a first of its kind device which is 3D printed that can produce electricity from falling snow. The best part is it is small, it's inexpensive, and it's flexible just like a plastic sheet. And yes, the most important part. Due to exams, many makers have requested to extend the deadline of Maker Challenge number 45. Yes, we are extending it till the end of the month, that is 31st of March. So, till then, happy innovating, all the best for your exams.